Hi sir, today I'm going to present about the LabTask one. These are the five object controls and their functions. The first one is label. It is utilized to label any message to the user. Generally, the text in tag does not change while the application is running. The second one is text box. It's made use of the to accept textual input from the individual. The individual can include strings, numerical words, and a mix of those, but images and also other multimedia material are not supported. The third one is button. It is made use of a typical Windows button. Most of the time, the switch control is utilized to generate a click event. Its name dimension as well as look are not altered in the runtime. The fourth one is list box. As the name recommends, this control works as a way to present a list of the items on the applications. Individuals can select any kind of choice from the list. The last one is picture box. These visual basic controls are used to show images and graphics inside the kind. The picture can be of any kind of standard layout, and we can select the dimension of the things in the kind too. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna create a simple window application with some object controls to create a form. The first step is we have to select the create a new project option. The second step is we have to search window in the search box. This is the one we have to use to create a form, the Visual Basic, Windows and Desktop. And then select the next button, and we have to set the name to our project. I want to set lab task 1, and this is the location to store where we want to store the project. For this framework option is F2, which is standard term support and long term support. We normally use long term support to use our project for a long time. Then select the create button. You have to wait for a while. Okay, these are the first form 1. The first step is we have to set our form 1 to perfect position. I think this one is much better. And then we have to name form 1 as signing. Also, I want to create a form for signing for Google account. Okay, the following step up, we have to go for the toolbox and search for label and drag it into the form. And now I want to use 4 labels. So a simple way we use is just copy and paste. And then set the labels where, where we want to set. I want to set the label 1 here, and the label 2 is following for label 1, then label 4 is here. Okay, and then go for the toolbox and search for text box. Same step also, just drag into the form. Just copy paste for make it our work easier. we just go for the button. I just want to use one only. Okay, this is my sign in form, and then we also can set an icon. These are the steps. Just go for the prefix and select for icon, and then just insert the picture we already downloaded. This one. Okay, and then select the label one, and then rename it as first name. The label 2 is last name. For the label 3, sorry, for the label 3, set as username. For the label 4, just rename it as password. Okay. Same step goes to the button also. I just want to rename it as next. Okay. Then we just want to fix the prefix design option and set it as label first name. I just want to set it as FN for our reference only. Last name also LBL last name. Same step goes to username also. Label LBL user. LBL password, and then go for the text box and set it as also text box FN first name. Box last name. Text box for user name. Text box for password. And for the button also, just rename it as BTN next. And then we have to add new form, then select form Windows form, and then just edit. This is just edit. Okay. Same step also goes to form 2. Search for icon option, form 2 as welcome. In form 2 also we have add a label, rename it as successfully signing. LEN success. For the form 1 coding, we have double key at the form, and then as we can look for the code Visual Basic for the form 1, and then for the button we just type the form 2 dot show and then save it. Second one is to you have to, and then double tap at the form 2 for see the code of form 2, and then type form 1 dot height, then save it code. Try to execute our project. Hopefully no errors. First name, the last name, username, set a simple password lock one and delete, and just click the next button. Okay. That's all. Thank you.